In the home of the Babas and the Zaidas on Prospect Place, it was always Yiddish first. There was plenty of English, but it was always Yiddish first. They knew that I understood them. I understood them from birth. There was no question. In other words, they didn't speak a few words of Yiddish and lapse into English. On the contrary, they spoke a lot of Yiddish and occasionally an English word if they thought I wasn't getting it. At home, Yiddish was sort of the banter language. Mother and Dad would speak in English, lapse into Yiddish, then really make a joke or speak of something serious, and all of a sudden out would come Polish or German because they thought we were listening too well and we were understanding very well. So Polish was the next language. That one really stymied us. We never could get that. German was a kind of, how shall I say, an exchange about something important we might get or we might not get. But since they were both schooled in German, it was easy for them to talk about literature or a book in German. They liked the language, but they didn't love it the way they loved Yiddish. Yiddish was simply natural for them.